The Home Department of Punjab, under the supervision of Chief Minister of Punjab, has announced and enforced Section 144 of CRPC in the vicinity of all commercial and PAF air bases and airports in the entirety of Punjab. This enforcement of Section 144 of CRPC in the vicinity of air bases and airports of Punjab has prompted a ban on the usage of laser lights, particularly by the shopping malls and by the local hotels and restaurant owners in the 13-kilometer radius or vicinity of airports and air bases. This Section 144 has also prompted the ban on the pigeon homing and pigeon racing in the vicinity of air bases and airports. And this Section 144 has also prompted a ban on the discarding of meat as sadqa or charity on rooftops or on vacant lots, which would attract carnivorous animals, particularly birds, which would be detrimental for the disruption of smooth flight operations that would be taking place in that vicinity. Let's scrutinize the core motives behind these banned activities. Number one, the particular ban on the usage of laser lights in the 13-kilometer radius of airports and air bases has been ensured under this Section 144 so to avoid any flight disruptions and to protect the aviational assets. Number two, the particular ban on pigeon homing and pigeon racing in the vicinity of airports and air bases has also been ensured so that no bird flying in that vicinity could be detrimental for the disruption of the flight operations that are taking place, both for the PAF jets and of the commercial airline. And finally, under this enforced Section 144, disposing or discarding meat as sadqa or charity at the rooftops or at the vacant lots in the 13-kilometer radius of airports and air bases has also been prohibited and restricted. Why? Because these discarded or disposed of meat also attracts carnivorous birds, which could also be detrimental for the disruption of the flight operations, again both of PAF jets and commercial flights, which could not only put the lives of innocent civilians at stake but also could threaten the aviational assets of Pakistan's security forces. This Section 144 of CRPC has been implemented in the 13-kilometer radius of all the airports and air bases in the entirety of Punjab, and all administrative and enforcement agencies have already been deployed to ensure its fullest implementation in every area and vicinity of airports and air bases. And more importantly, it is going to be in its effect for the subsequent 30 days until further orders come from the Home Department of Punjab. Thank you.
The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government has set an annual profit target of Rs 35 billion from taxes on poor labourers and cart vendors. Meanwhile, industrialists from the merged tribal districts are demanding tax relief, saying their industries are on the verge of collapse. Industrialists want the 10% sales tax on industries in ex-Pata reduced to 4%. They also point out that for the past 8 months, industries in the region have remained shut due to the closure of the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. As a result, thousands of workers are unemployed. The government decision to generate revenue from daily wage labourers and small vendors rather than providing relief to struggling industries raises a basic question. Is taxing the most vulnerable people the right way to meet revenue targets while the industrial sector remains in crisis?